your head up. Even when the road is hard, never give up. Baby, don't cry. I hope you got your head up. Even when the road is hard, never give up. Baby, don't cry.
Oh, girl, where my mic?
That's how you stay ready, so you don't have to get ready.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, and subscribe. But not, and you've been a bestie for the rest of the hey girl, how you doing? Girl, we here. You see this 4K camera, so we made it. We made it. Let me get into it. I'm sweating and everything, trying to be cute for this damn thing. All right, there's a lot going on. But if you knew me when I first started, I have now. Oh, hold on. Let me fix the little lens right here. But for today, we're gonna be talking about. Oh well, let me get my sip out. Girl, I love me some cranberry. Okay. So what we're gonna be talking about is creating a YouTube channel, and especially for beginners. Cause trust me, I am not camera ready. I am such an introvert, and if you would ask me in my 20s would I ever have done this ever in my life, it would have been hell no. Hey, if you always wanted to do this, or like you're like, hey, one day I want to actually do YouTube, or I want to do some content and stuff, but I'm too nervous to do it. I don't have the money to do it. I don't have the time to do it. I have kids. I have a job. I have a 9 to 5. I'm an entrepreneur. How in the world you want me to balance out life, everyday life, 12 hours a day, whatever, and you want me to do content too at the same time? And it is doable. So let's get started and let's pop into these questions for number one for you true beginners, and let's go. So the first question is, hold on, let me get to it. First question, how do I choose the right niche for my channel? I did. I'll be straight up honest with y'all. I think that's the most peer pressure situation ever, to choose a niche, because
Straight to the point, I did not have a niche. I didn't know what I was doing, okay? But I knew I wanted to content create because I love creativity, and that's where I grow the most at. And I feel like that's a little bit part of niche, but then I know, like, okay, as soon as I picked up my phone for my device, right, for content, did I know what I wanted to talk about? No. So I would say, if you want to start with anything, because the more that you linger and say like, oh, I'm gonna do this, it's going to become procrastination, and then you're going to give up, and you're not going to give yourself a chance. So I'll say, if you want to talk about organization, if you just want to open up bottles of perfume and talk about how what smell good, what lasts long, all that stuff or whatever, if you want to talk about sewing, anything that you truly love, do it. I'd rather have that than to wake up and be like, oh, I want the money for it, I want the fame, I want the clout. You're gonna be on this journey for God knows how long. Say do it with a passion, niche or not. As I watch these two doctors take out earwax. Yes, low-key kind of weird, but it soothes me when I see like the gratification of a person going through surgery and getting wax out their ear. But it's something where they probably didn't even think of when they just like, hey, they're doctors, we're just cleaning people's ears. Let's put this out of the video. Next thing you know, they get millions of views. And like, you don't put yourself on this pedestal of this pressure, and you're like, oh, I have to have a niche. No, just start anything. Bust out with any type of camera too. We're gonna get to that later. But please, don't give up on yourself and just start somewhere. Okay, next question. Okay, camera, microphone, lighting. In my opinion, I didn't have nothing. I had a sucky camera, I had a sucky audio, and I had a sucky lighting. Do not go out here buying a camera that costs $1,800 and you regretting that. Right now, I'm having a camera, what you're looking at right now. Back then, I didn't have that. I had an iPhone 6. Comes to the quality, people pay attention to that. That sets you off different too. And also with the audio. Because back then I sounded so low. I am so shy. I talk low. Going in your mind saying, hey, can I afford this? No. I knew I couldn't afford this. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have to do something every monthly to pay for it, because these cameras are not cheap. However, you don't need a camera for YouTube. And when I got a camera, I didn't know what the crap I was doing because I never had a camera in my life. I want to capture the moment, but I'm too busy trying to go through the camera with the settings and like, oh, God damn it. Oh, can you start that over, please? Can you just rewind? And the moment's gone, it's too late. So what I'm saying is start with what you have, what you can afford. Do not be buying all these extravagant things because next thing you know, you're going to have a bunch of equipment that you barely use. And then you could have been like, you know what, I could have saved. But if you want to say like, what are the top 3 things that are very important that if you want to spend or invest in, I say phone, camera, the quality, and the lighting. Golden. All right. Okay, now the next one is how do I create a YouTube channel? I didn't know nothing. And you know what? You're going to be like, damn, what did you know? But I didn't have social media before. You know, I was totally fine in my own world, less drama. It's not just uploading. What type of materials you're going to use? What type of thumbnails? What type of editing and stuff? So I just started just researching that. Excuse me. And people love, when you have people that truly love you and watch your channel, they're going to be excited to watch a 30-minute to an hour video because they love you. Because I love y'all and I love talking to y'all. And this is what helps me get out of bed every day is because of you. Okay? Because, girl, if I can go to sleep, I was just so hard on myself, I'm just thankful. I'm just thankful for y'all. I'm thankful for y'all watching anything that I post. And then literally, I'm just thankful for being here. I'm thankful for breathing. I just want to make a difference and then leaving these memories behind and knowing that I'm helping somebody out there from any part of the world or country saying they can do this. So that's okay. Should I script my videos or go freestyle? So I say try it out. I try it out with description. Actually writing it down first. I tried it out where I freestyled and I messed up both. And I was like, let me put it where it's half, and then that's where it stuck because I can be myself but also being prepared at it. That's what works for me. Some people just pick up a camera and just start recording for their day. And some people may like, okay, let me jot this down and let me write this stuff up and let me prepare it step by step, book by book. With me, if I do that perfectionist stuff, I do that all the time, and I think I'm gonna drive myself up the wall. It gets me a part of growing where hey, you can't control everything. So learn about both ways. Learn about freestyling. Learn about okay, I can put it in uniform and structure and stuff, and also learn it like hell. I can do half, or stuff may happen. So do something where it actually works for you. How often should I post new videos? Either you're going to be a daily one, which everyone strives for, posting a video every single day, all the time, because that's going to keep the consistency moving. And then you're like, okay, I'm gauging for a video every day. However, you don't want to feel all drained out. Don't come for me because I know I am not that girl. I tried and I did not succeed. However, you can still get back up and you can still keep it moving and keep striving. And I tell myself all the time, okay, I'm gonna do that. Right now I'm struggling. So it's like giving advice. Am I doing it? But that's how you stay consistent. But you don't want to dry yourself. You don't want to burn yourself out. That's absolutely insane. It's okay to take a break. I think when people do vlogmas or something, they just go straight crazy, you know, or they push them. So I gotta do stuff every day. Editing is hard as hell. So, and I love to edit, but it's time consuming too. So if you want to be a beginner, try like once a week and stuff, once or twice a week. Okay. Lord, if you start doing it, I'm gonna come right behind you too. Okay. Cause girl. Damn shame. Okay, hold on. Don't go anywhere, Cece. Don't go anywhere. You was about to leave. Hold on. I almost got the last one. Okay. So, how can I avoid burnout as a new YouTuber. I led to the next section. So to avoid that, you need to do self-care. It's okay to go to a restaurant by yourself. It's okay to like literally buy these lotions, all this stuff to smell to feel good. You know, it's okay to get a pedicure. It's okay to get your toes done, girl. Get your toes done. Damn, shave your legs, something. Like, you need to have self-care for yourself. As a matter of fact, I think when it comes to content, or even separate from content, we're putting on a mask, like everything is happening inside of us. We're dying. It's like I want to scream to the world, I want to cry, but I can't, because that happened. If you rely on people and comments and praises, good luck. So have a strong foundation with people. I have a small friend group. So, and they tell me the real, and they also want to see me grow too. And they support and everything. We don't gotta see each other every day, but it's not like, oh, why are you doing this? Is this a career? Are you getting paid? I literally are there for me, and then they know who they are too. And I love y'all so much. I have really true good friends that I have that actually like motivating each other, and they're like, hey, I want you to grow. I don't want you to be stagnant. I don't want you to be in this box. As I'm saying that, get time for yourself. Get massages for yourself. Literally do stuff that you like to do. If you want to take people on that journey, fine. But if you got people that support you or love you, saying, hey, like, look, I get that you want to do something that you know, and also they'll be like, hey, girl, can I be a part of? Look, it's okay, girl. Record what you do, what you gotta do. So matter of fact, let me get up in this video. Okay, it looks like that's all my questions. So I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for supporting me. Definitely want to support each other, literally help each other grow and everything. And I could not do half of this stuff without y'all. If you want to create a YouTube, get whatever you need to get, phone, whatever you need to get, start your YouTube, start something. Okay, just do it, and it won't be any excuses at all, y'all. Okay, that was fake as hell. I'll see y'all next time.